e te whānau o Toy Time. Oh, it's time for one of my favourite sounds in the whole world. Whakarongo mai. It's the Toy Time trumpets. Hoa ke tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching Toy Time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy Time!
Tēnā koutou katoa. Nau mai and welcome to Toy Time. I'm Maya and these are my friends. Ko Jojo tēnei. Kia ora. Koreki tēnei.
Hi.
We've got on our sun hats and jandals and sunscreen and we're ready for the Kiwi summer.
I love a good Kiwi summer. Me and my whānau go down to the beach and do huge manu into the water. I try to make the biggest splash I can.
Oh, that's the one, Jojo. And I love playing at the beach and having fish and chips and ice cream cones and sausages and pavlova and kiwi fruit.
Reka. I love picking strawberries from the garden and making fruit salad for everyone.
Whatever we do for the Kiwi summer, it'll be fun because we're all together.
That's right. Let's go.
A picnic in the park with food to share. The chirping of cicadas fill the air. The sun stays up so long this time of year. Holidays bring friends and family near. Barbecues and swimming in the sea. Playing games of cricket on the beach. Sun hat on and jandals on your feet. Summer in New Zealand's hard to beat. Camping somewhere we have never been. Doing manus in the pool with friends. Lay down drying on the hot cement. Oh, I hope that summer never ends. Barbecues and swimming in the sea. Playing games of cricket on the beach. Sun hat on and jandals on your feet. Summer in New Zealand's hard to beat. Barefoot on the grass with lemonade. Think of all the memories I've made. Autumn's closing in as summer fades. But in 9 months I know summer's back again. Barbecues and swimming in the sea. Playing games of cricket on the beach. Sun hat on and jandals on your feet. Summer in New Zealand. Oh yeah. Summer in New Zealand. Yeah, nah. Summer in New Zealand's hard to beat.
Wow, Jojo. What beautiful red flowers.
Ai, ngā puawai whiro o te rākau pōhutukawa.
Puawai whiro.
Pōhutukawa are New Zealand Christmas trees because they bloom with beautiful red flowers in summer, right before Christmas.
Oh, these red flowers do remind me of Christmas. Hea tāhua.
Can we help decorate, Jojo?
Sure. Anei.
Thank you.
What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. Pōhutukawa really do make the most beautiful Christmas tree.
Oh, well, if it's Christmas, does that mean Santa will come?
Oh, I hope so.
Ah, I love having Christmas in the summer. Don't you, Jojo? Jojo?
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
It's Santa Claus!
Kia ora, hana kōkō.
Kia ora! Ho, ho, ho! Have you been good this year?
Oh, of course. I'm always good.
I forgot to brush my teeth once and my room gets a little bit messy. Sorry, Santa.
Oh, that's okay, Ricky. Sometimes these things happen, as long as you do your best. Would you like a present?
Oh, yes, please.
Maya, for you, this. I made it myself with the help of my elves in the North Pole, of course.
Oh, my very own puawai whiro, just like the ones on the Pōhutukawa. I love it. Thank you, hana kōkō. I'll treasure it forever.
And for you, Ricky, I made this myself too.
Paper plane. I love paper planes. Thanks, Jojo. Oh, I mean, Santa.
Oh, you're welcome. Well, I best be getting back to the North Pole. E nohora.
Bye, Santa.
Meri krihimete, thank you. This is the best Christmas ever.
It sure is. Shoo.
Oh, kia ora, my cuzzies. Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm going to show you all my favourite things about a Kiwi summer. Oake tātou. Number 1, my diggy things. Number 2, kai and a y. Careful. And thirdly, my towel. But my favouriteest thing of all is Pōhutukawa trees. One of the best things about Pōhutukawa trees is they give you shade out of the hot sun. That's the OG sunblock. Ooh, bottle that up and call it shadow. Ooh, I also love to climb them. Come on. 3 points of contact. Okay. Ah, I made it! Oh, I love this rākau. When it comes to Kiwi summer, you could say we're in Pōhoots. All right, I'm off to do my second favouriteest thing, swimming. Let's go. Come on. Buzz the Cuz, about to dive into the water. Here we go. That's the buzz, my cuz. Ka kite anō.
Outside in the garden, we'll pull out all the weeds, break up all the leaves that have fallen from the trees. Outside in the garden, look at what we've grown. All the flowers in a row, from the seeds that we have sown. Outside in the garden, look at all the flowers pollinated by the bees. With some care, they'll grow up strong in the shade of the trees. Outside in the garden, we'll pull out all the weeds, break up all the leaves that have fallen from the trees. Outside in the garden, look at what we've grown. All the flowers in a row, from the seeds that we have sown. Outside in the garden, watch the food come from the ground. Mom will serve it up for tea. We can grow so many things, planting carrots, beans and peas. Outside in the garden, we'll pull out all the weeds, break up all the leaves that have fallen falling from the trees. Outside in the garden, look at what we've grown. All the flowers in a row, from the seeds that we have sown. Outside in the garden.
Ooh, these ones, or these ones, or maybe even these. Oh, kia ora, Buzz.
Kia ora, Cuss.
Oh,
Hey, why does ice cream always get invited to the pool parties?
oh, why?
Because they're cool.
Ooh, cool like us.
Yeah. I got a cool game for us to play out in the garden. Wanna come? Cool, Ricky?
Oh, you bet. Cool, Buzz.
Oh, cool.
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 Oh, cool.
It's Takaro time! And today we're playing the coolest game of the Kiwi summer, swing ball. To play, all you have to do is hit this ball with a racket like this. Ooh, check me out. Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Oh.
Ooh, that's
Oh.
amazing.
Yeah.
The ball just keeps swinging round and round when you hit it.
Yeah, here, you have a go. Hit it back.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, now it's going the other way.
power.
Oosh. Oh. How do you decide the winner?
Oh, well, that's the best thing. You don't. The game is all about just having fun, hitting the ball as hard as you can.
Ah. Hey, let's do it again. Oosh. Oh, ah. Whoa. Whoa, man. Swing ball is cool.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for bringing your cool toys to play with, Buzz.
Oh.
Hey, I love Takoro time with you.
You're welcome, my cuz. Oh, wanna play again?
Yeah, I mean, cool.
Oh, yeah, cool. Cool.
Oh, cool.
Cool.
Oh.
Peekaboo! Kia ora, I'm Auntie Anika, and today I'm going to show you how to make my favourite summer food. Well, apart from ice cream, ice blocks, strawberries, nectarines, and power fritters, and Koro's fried bread. Oh, where was I? Okay, so this is one of my favourite summer foods, the barbecue sausage. Okay, but before we get started, make sure you leave the barbecuing up to your grown-ups, okay? Those things get really hot and no one wants sizzling fingers, only sizzling sausages. Ka pai? Cool, okay. Whew. Now, where do we start? Oh, that's right. First of all, you take one sizzling sausage and you place it inside one piece of lovely fresh bread, like so. Boom. See? Now, some people, like me, like to have onion rings on their sausages. They are so yummy, but psst, come closer. Onions can make you do a very big patero, so just remember to say pardon me afterwards, okay? Like this. Pardon me. Anyway, let's add the onions. Oh, love onions so much. Okay, now for one of the best inventions in the world, tomato sauce, or tomato. I love tomato sauce. So squeeze it on, squiggly wiggly, all over the show, as much as you like or as less as you like. Doesn't matter, okay? And next week, oh, I love mustard so much. Squish, squash, squish, squash, squish, squash. I can't wait to eat it. Okay, next up, we have some hundreds and thousands. Just jokes. That's what the ice cream. I'm a joke. Okay, there you have it. Barbecue sausage a la Auntie Anika. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Are we there yet, Wolfie?
Oh, not yet, Oma. Oh, how about we play a game?
Hey, that's a great idea. I spy with my little eye something beginning with W.
Ooh, W. Whoa, whale.
No, whales live in the sea, Wolfie.
Oh, yeah. Warthog.
A warthog?
Yeah.
Where?
Oh, nowhere.
Oh, hey, it has to be something inside or outside the car. Keep guessing, Wolfie. I spy with my little eye something beginning with W.
Ooh, W. Oh, this is tricky.
Oh, would you like a clue?
Oh, yes, please, Oma.
Okay, this W is big and furry and gives the best hugs in the whole wide world.
I know. It's me. W. For Wolfie.
Yes! oh, hey, Wolfie, I think you should keep your hands on the wheel.
Oh, yeah. Hands on the wheel. Hands on the wheel.
What a lovely day. Let's go, kids. Let's go to the beach.
Hey, Tony, what did you do this summer? Did you do some fun things with Mama?
Well, Mama, I swam some more and ate some sausages too. Swam some more and ate some sausages too.
Hey, Barry, what did you do this summer? Did you do some fun things with Mama?
Well, Mama, I swam some more and ate some sausages too. Swam some more and ate some sausages too.
Hey, Tony, what did you do this summer? Did you do some fun things with Mama?
Well, Mama, I went to the beach, collected some shells and ate some sausages too. Swam some more and ate some sausages too.
Hey, Barry, what did you do this summer? Did you do some fun things with Mama?
Well, Mama, I went to the river, swung on the swing and ate some sausages too. Swam some more and ate some sausages too.
Today is fitness class. Emma knows all the moves, so she gets to wear the special vest and teach us.
Yeah. Having a good time.
Today she's the teacher. She does a countdown.
3, 2, 1, go!
We do all the moves she tells us to do.
Set, go.
We do stretching. We do balancing. We do some special moves. Emma's a great teacher.
Yes, good job.
Summer is my favourite season of all. The flowers are blooming, the garden is full of bees and birds, and it's hot enough to go for a swim. I wish it would be summer forever. Oh, hey Mōhio,
Kia ora, Maya. How can I help today?
why do we need autumn and winter and spring? Why can't it be summer all year round?
All 4 seasons are important. If it was summer all the time, there wouldn't be enough water for the plants to grow.
Oh, you're right. It doesn't rain as much in summer, and my plants love water. That's why I use my watering can sometimes. And I do love snuggling up with a book and a hot chocolate when it's cold outside in the winter. Thanks,
You're welcome, Maya. Anytime.
All right. Lulu Bell. Karaka. And Mr. Leaf. Perfect.
Today at the farm I saw some sheep, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm I saw some cows, cows with calves, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm I saw some swans, swans with cygnets, cows with calves, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm I saw some pigs, pigs with piglets, swans with cygnets, cows with calves, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm I saw some ducks, ducks with ducklings, pigs with piglets, swans with cygnets, cows with calves, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm I saw a horse with foals, ducks with ducklings, pigs with piglets, swans with cygnets, cows with calves, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm I saw some deer, deer with fawns, a horse with foals, ducks with ducklings, pigs with piglets, swans with cygnets, cows with calves, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm I saw some goats, goats with kids, deer with fawns, a horse with foals, ducks with ducklings, pigs with piglets, swans with cygnets, cows with calves, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm I saw some chooks, chooks with chicks, goats with kids, deer with fawns, a horse with foals, ducks with ducklings, pigs with piglets, swans with cygnets, cows with calves, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm it must be spring.
It's time for What's in the Box?
But, Jojo, aren't you forgetting something very important?
What's that?
The box!
Oh, yes, you're right. It's what's in the box without the box.
So it's what's in the air?
How about what's under here?
Yes! Why can't we just have a box?
Oh, because this, what's in the box, is for your puku.
It's for my box.
Aye.
Can I eat it?
Aye.
Well, let's go.
Wait. You have to guess what it is first by only asking yes or no questions.
So no questions. Okay, got it. Is it delicious?
Aye.
Is it sweet?
Aye.
Is it creamy?
Aye.
I know. It's ice cream. Is it ice cream?
Cow.
Oof. Can I have a clue, please?
It's made of egg, but not the whole egg, only the white bit.
Delicious, sweet, creamy, made of egg white. Does it have cream on top?
Aye.
Does it have fruit?
Aye.
Is it my favorite Kiwi summer dessert? Pavlova?
Yes!
Yes! Oh, thank you, Jojo.
You're welcome.
Hi! Today we're going to the school disco. We love discos! We've got tattoos. You get your tattoo and you take the plastic off, then you get a wet cloth and you put the wet cloth on it for 30 seconds and then you keep checking till it's stuck on properly. Now it's ready. Kirsty, before we go, we've got to practice our dancing. These are our tickets. Let's go! I'm right near the front of the line with my best friend Everett. We hang out with our friends.
some snacks. And we buy some things that glow in the dark. Bye.
Wait, does Santa brush his teeth too?
Well, of course. Especially after all the cookies people leave out on Christmas Eve. I have to look after my niho.
Cool.
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about Matariki. In the small town of Kirikiriroa, Aria and her friend Moana were super excited about Matariki, the Māori New Year. As the sun set, they snuggled up outside with sleeping bags, watching the stars appear. Happy Matariki, Aria, said Moana, handing her a hot chocolate. Happy Matariki, Moana, giggled Aria, sipping their sweet treats. Moana shared the story of Matariki and how each of the 9 stars had a special gift, like predicting the weather or helping the crops grow. That's Matariki, the mother of the 8 stars. Then there's Pōhutukawa, Tupu Ānuku, Tupu Ārangi, Waiti, Waitā, Waipuna Ārangi, Ururangi, and Hiwe Iterangi, explained Moana. Wow, it's so nice that they're all in the sky together, like we're together down here, Aria. Matariki is a good time to be grateful for all we have, explained Moana. I'm really grateful for our friendship, Moana. Me too, agreed Moana. Aria and Moana drifted off to sleep, dreaming of the adventures they would have in the new year. What a great story. The end.
Hi, Edera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha, e noho